description.
Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today we got a rice noodle. This was sent by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Viet Cuisine's Shiitake mushroom instant rice noodles. The other day I did the bean thread version, and I really liked it. And I'm not a big fan of mushrooms. So, I don't know. My wife thinks I'm a fun guy, but I'm not so sure about the fun guy. Ha! Ha! No? Is that a dad joke? Probably. I don't know. But all I do know is that I'm putting this in here. And I need to put this in there as well. So here's that. And there's this. I think this is the vegetables. It should be. So today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day of weathering. And the weather is going to happen shortly. It happened a little bit earlier on my morning constitutional. That's a walk. I think that's about right. And this goes for 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, it's just started dumping rain, and I'm not really worried about that. I'm from Washington. I'm not going to be terrified by getting wet. It's still kind of warm outside too, so. And then it started to hail, and it was like, whoa, dude. But I guess we're looking at, there is a severe storm risk right now, and what was it? A slight chance of severe storm risk. That's so non-committal. I think that's what they mean when they say, oh, I don't know. What time is it? Oh, I don't know. Daytime? That kind of thing. So, yeah. But I went out, I'm back. But I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hoping it's not too severe because I got that field trip with my son tomorrow. I am hyped about it now. At first I was like, I don't know. 2 hours each way on a bus full of kids. That could be trying. I'll bring my Bluetooth so I can listen to something other than the screaming. But yeah. I don't know how it's going to go in that respect. But we're going to walk all around the state capitol and check things out. And it sounds cool to me. So, yeah. I guess we'll see how it goes. It'll either be yay or, oh, God. So. But anyways, went out for my walk. Went to the regular thrift store and the two food thrift stores that I call them that. I went to, we have a Dollar Tree and a grocery outlet, and I didn't get anything at the grocery outlet, but I did get something at the Dollar Tree. I've got two that I need crab for, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I'm like, dude, yes. So it's imitation crab meat in a pouch, and it was like, I got two of those, and I got this, I've never seen it before, Palermo brand chili garlic sauce. It sounded interesting. Here it is, I'll let you know. But yeah, it was like under $4 for all that. And then I went to the grocery outlet, and they had cans of real crab meat that were $3 a pop, and that's really cheap for crab meat. but I had already committed to the imitation, so that's where we stand. But I've got a couple really special ones coming up in 2 days from now for you. Probably about 45 minutes for me is one of them. And then no reviewing tomorrow, as I will be in the state capitol. I'm really hoping we see protesters. I don't know. I a lot of people really hate protesters, but that's, you know, the right to assemble and all of that. That is a right we have as citizens of this country. You know, there are certain places in the world that if you did try to do that, you would immediately be jailed, you know. I'm sure they'll try to take that away with the current administration, but for now, you know, they have it. By the way, I'm not getting paid for this. I really don't get paid for much, but there's this new book that just came out. It's called The Echo Machine. It's a book by David Pakman. He does a show on YouTube. It's all politics and stuff, but it's really good, and I really like it. I listen to this guy every day, and I'm hoping I'll get the audio book of this, because I don't know. I think it'll be kind of hard for me to read it, but I wanted a actual physical copy of it, you know. But yeah, you should check it out. Check out the David Pakman show. Anyways, we have Noodle and stuffings. So the thing that I liked about it before was, I mean, everything's the same. It's just the noodle's different. So I'm guessing this will be just like, nah, I don't like these noodles. See, they don't want to cooperate. It's all right. I mean, I like everything but the noodle. And it totally would not work with, what do you call it? A wheat noodle. But check it out. Big old meaty piece of shiitake mushroom. I like that. But yeah, this just would not work with a rice or a wheat noodle. It would be gross and funky, and it has to be a rice or a thread, bean thread, or it was very savory. Yeah. Well done to Viet Cuisine for making a mushroom variety. I'm like, wow, this is really good. That doesn't happen often at all. So, happy day to you, Viet Cuisine. Yeah, we'll do that. And now I'm going to add the said stuff. And I was kind of thinking, whoa, maybe I would try out that new spicy Thai sauce on it. Is that a mistake? I don't know. It's something to do. It's something different. I guess we'll find out if I like this stuff. Ooh. I think I do, but it might be because it's 90% sugar. But we'll see what happens. Let's just put a little bit. Oh. Yeah, there's a little bit. I'll see how it is after I've taken the pretty pictures, but and I dropped a little bit of my coriander. So you might find it a little odd that I call it coriander, but that's what they call it everywhere other than the United States and Mexico. Yeah. Crushed red pepper, sure, why not? Oh, I didn't lose a large piece of coriander. Yeah. Did I do sesame seed? God, I'm getting old. I can't remember like 5 seconds ago. I don't think I did. I'll add a little bit of seed. I did add seed, didn't I? I don't know. I don't know. I'm incredibly old. You know what I got in the mail yesterday? So the other day I turned 50. Yeah, I'm not. That's kind of stupid. But I got a thing inviting me to join AARP, and now I feel like nauseated by that. Well, thank you for the honor of taking up your time to watch my show. If you like it, please like, subscribe, consider donating with Patreon monthly. It's cheap. I think you can do as low as $1 a month, and then just forget about it and do it in perpetuity. 10 years would be $120. You can float that, dude, ma'am, person, human. Or if you're an animal, that's fine too. This came out of the very last Nakama Noodles box that I used to tell you all about. They don't do that anymore. They don't do any subscription boxes, but you can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowmall.com, and they've got all sorts of really nice Japanese ramen on there. This might be on there. I don't know. But yeah, check it out. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You may wish to unplug sensitive electronic equipment, such as computers and televisions, to avoid damage during power interruptions. Approximately 1,628 customers are also affected in your area. We are working to restore your power. The latest estimate for power to be restored is approximately November 23rd, 2024.